In the race to solve the climate crisis, tech giants are pitching artificial intelligence as our new environmental hero. They promise AI will optimize everything: power grids, farming, transportation, magically slashing emissions and saving the planet. But a recent report from non-profits suggests these claims are mostly greenwashing, more marketing than meaningful action. The reality? AI's rapid growth demands massive data centers, energy-hungry warehouses that are expanding fast. While tech companies tout AI's future benefits, their operations today are adding to the climate problem. The public is left with a confusing picture. Are these companies climate saviors, or just clever marketers? The investigation calls out the industry for hyping AI's climate potential without real proof, all while their carbon footprint grows. It's time to look past the hype and ask tough questions about what AI is really doing for the planet. The story is more complicated and far less optimistic than the industry wants us to believe. Dig into tech's climate claims, and you'll find a glaring lack of solid evidence. 74% of AI's supposed climate benefits are unproven. Most are based on company reports or consulting blogs, not science. That popular claim that AI could cut global emissions by 10%? It traces back to a blog post, not peer-reviewed research. There's no substantial proof that tools like ChatGPT or Gemini have actually reduced emissions. The industry is building its case for expansion on promises, not facts. Without real data, these claims are just empty words. We need transparency and science, not marketing spin. Until then, the climate benefits of AI remain more fiction than fact. Not all AI is created equal, and that's key to understanding the greenwashing. Traditional machine learning, the older, simpler AI, has delivered some real, if modest, climate benefits, like optimizing energy grids. But today's AI boom is driven by generative AI. Think ChatGPT and image generators, which are energy hogs. The industry blurs the line, using the small wins of old AI to justify the massive expansion of new, resource-intensive models. It's like advertising a fleet of gas-guzzling trucks, using the mileage of a scooter. The analysis found no evidence that generative AI has cut emissions. Instead, it's driving up energy demand. By lumping all AI together, tech companies sell a story of progress while fueling unsustainable growth. It's a classic bait and switch. Behind the digital magic of AI lies a physical reality sprawling data centers that devour electricity and water. By 2027, AI could use as much power as a country like Sweden. These centers also gulp down millions of gallons of water daily to keep servers cool, straining local supplies. The environmental toll, carbon emissions, water use, is happening now, not in some distant future. Yet tech companies focus on hypothetical benefits, glossing over the real, growing costs. The report warns that these direct impacts likely outweigh any unproven climate gains. The AI boom is built on unsustainable resource consumption. Unless the industry changes course, AI may worsen the climate crisis it claims to solve. So, do AI's potential climate benefits outweigh its environmental costs? The evidence says no. The real gains come from older, simpler AI, small efficiency boosts, not game changers. Meanwhile, generative AI's energy and water demands are surging, with measurable emissions happening now. The industry asks us to trust in future solutions while ignoring today's damage. It's a dangerous imbalance: minor benefits versus massive immediate harm. The net effect? The current AI boom is likely a net negative for the climate. The AI as climate savior story looks more like a marketing ploy than a fact. The industry profits while the planet pays the price. We need to weigh real benefits against real harms, not just buy into the hype. The report's message is clear. We need honesty and real data about AI's climate impact. Tech companies must stop making unsupported claims and start sharing transparent, verifiable numbers, especially for energy-hungry generative AI. The authors aren't anti-AI. They just want a balanced, evidence-based conversation. Policymakers, investors, and the public should demand rigorous, peer-reviewed data on energy use, water consumption, and emissions. Without this, AI for climate is just another greenwashing tool. Technology is only as good as how we use it, and what we choose to ignore. If we let hype dominate, AI could become another driver of the climate crisis. The choice is ours: demand the facts or fall for the story.